In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join official Fortnite Discord server. By the end, you'll be inside the real Fortnite community on Discord, ready to catch updates, find teammates, and chat with other players. Let's start by opening Discord. You can use the desktop app, the mobile app, or head to discord.com in your browser. Make sure you're signed in so you can join servers without interruptions. Next, look to the left sidebar where your servers are listed. Find the small plus icon labeled Add a Server. Click that. This is where you can create your own server, but we're going to join an existing one. In the window that appears, choose Join a Server. This option tells Discord that you want to enter a community that already exists, like Fortnite's official server. You'll now see a field where you can type Fortnite. Discord will show you matching public communities. Look for the official Fortnite server in the results. A quick way to spot the right one is to check for the verified badge and a large active member count. If you see something that looks unofficial or suspicious, back out and pick the verified result instead. Taking a moment to confirm this ensures you end up in the real place, not a lookalike. Once you've found the correct listing, click Join Server. Discord may prompt you with a quick verification or safety check. If you see one, just follow the on-screen instructions. After that, you'll be dropped into the server. When you land inside, take a moment to read the welcome or rules channel if it's shown. This helps you understand what's allowed, how to behave, and where different topics live, so you can get the most out of the server without running into issues. If you prefer fewer pings, you can adjust your notification settings for the server and mute channels you don't need. That way you'll still get important updates without being overwhelmed. From here, you're good to go. Browse the channels, look for matchmaking areas if you want teammates, and keep an eye on announcement channels for official news. If you ever get lost, the channel list on the left and the search bar at the top are your best friends. And that's it. You opened Discord, clicked Add a Server, chose Join a Server, typed Fortnite, and hit Join Server. Simple, fast, and you're in the right place. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time in the official Fortnite Discord.